Good morning, fellow dragon fruit growers. This is Paul with an update on some of the dragons that have been repotted in the collection here on this north-facing slope. So you can see Namibian orange, I repotted it last fall, and I placed earthworm castings on the top and then some leaf litter from the bamboo. So I'm liking that. Hopefully it will retain a little bit of moisture better than just what I was doing last season. You can see this plant is bouncing back. It's a little cold sensitive, by the way, but it does have some new growth right there. See it? So that's Namibian orange. Now, last night, or yesterday evening, I should say, I repotted this one, and I mixed Bruni and Cinnaspinus. Now, I don't like mixing varieties, but at this point I have so many, they're gonna have to live together and get along. So you can see here, the potting soil I'm using this season, and it's similar to Gary's Best Top Pot, 30% peat moss, 30% pumice, 20% perlite, 10% sand, 5% charcoal, and 5% of the chunky coconut coir, which you can see right there. And that is the material with the pith, the peat, and the husk. I really like that. So I'm going to top dress this with some earthworm castings, put some bamboo leaf litter on top of it, and then once it kind of gets acclimated a bit, I'm going to top dress it with Fox Farms Ocean Forest. And hopefully you can see why I repotted it. After 3 seasons, the Ocean Forest Happy Frog potting soil with added perlite kind of broke down, and in my opinion it promotes a lot of fungal issues. So you can see this plant was really healthy last season, and now it's got some fungal bacteria challenges, but it's going to bounce back. So that's something I'm noticing when I used Fox Farms or Happy Frog. After about season 3 into season 4, that's when we really have some issues with that. Let me show you the potting soil, what it looked like, because I had Bruni over here and a Yellow Cross 68, and the Yellow Cross 68 completely rotted down to the base. I'm going to repot this and try to save it. Now I did get 2 nice cuttings off of it, and it's not my favorite variety anyways, but look in here, look at the potting soil. This is after 3 seasons. It's just decomposing. Some people say it causes sludge. You can still see a lot of the ground up dead trees. See it in there? Possibly retains too much moisture. But this has just been not good for my dragons. The first 2 seasons, it's fantastic. But this type of potting soil, Happy Frog and Ocean Forest, is designed to be repotted every season with new, fresh potting soil. So it's a bad thing for in the long term for your dragon fruit. So there you go. There's a little update. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for your time. Have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.